I will share with you 5 points that will help you to always have money as a forex trader. The reason I am doing this video is that in the industry, there is this thing that happens among forex traders. A forex trader can be rich in the morning, and by evening, that same forex trader is broke and is looking for money to fund his trading account again. Somebody can be rich by Monday. When it comes to Friday, the person does not have money. And that was my life. At a point, I had to sit down and ask myself, is this how I am going to be successful in this industry? Is this how I'm going to raise my children? If you are somebody that you've been trading and trading for years and there is nothing to write home about, most of the time, it is not just about your strategy and it is not just about psychology. You have to be very deliberate when it comes to creating wealth. When it comes to making investment, being in the forex industry, you need to be realistic and very deliberate because of the lifestyle that they have been sold to on Instagram, on YouTube, on Twitter. And then when you come to trading, 1 second you just want to start today and tomorrow you are a millionaire. You will be shocked. Actually, you will be shocked what is going to happen to you. Some persons, their lives after 3 years or 4 years of trading forex is going to be far worse than it was when they came into trading. So if you want to always have money as a forex trader, make sure that you pay attention and listen and obey these things that I'm going to be telling you because they are life-changing points for every forex trader. Number 1 point is get a job. If you want to succeed in forex trading, you need to have a job. A lot of motivational speakers will tell you to quit your 9-to-5 job, but if you will succeed in forex trading, you need to have a job. One of the reasons you need a job is that you need to have a solid source of income that is not volatile, that is not dependent on trading. Another reason why a job will help you as a trader is that when you have something that gets you busy, it will help you to break the addiction that comes from trading. When you have nothing to do and you're always pressing your chart all the time, pressing your chart, you end up taking trades that are not there. But when you have a job, you will analyze your trade, place the trades, and go to work. So many of the people that are even very successful in trading, most of them are also content creators. They have YouTube channels and they have trading communities that they manage. These things have become jobs to them. And anytime they need money, maybe something happened with their trading account, they always have something to get trading again. But if you do not have a job, it's going to be difficult for you. Every day I check my DM, a lot of people come to me, they want to learn how to trade forex. The first thing I ask anybody who wants me to teach him how to trade, I ask them, do you already have a job? If they say no, I don't have a job, even when they have the money to pay me to learn, I honestly advise them, please, you have to go and get yourself a job. Or if you want to create a job for yourself, there is no job, then think of other things you can do. There is content creation. You can learn faceless YouTube channels. You can learn to manage social media for people. You can learn AI, any other thing that can help you to earn on the internet that is not directly forex trading. You should not depend on your forex trading for your day-to-day survival. Point number 2, anytime you want to fund your forex trading account, instead of taking something like $100, $500, $1,000 or $10,000, $30,000, any amount of money and throw it into your forex trading account, whenever you want to fund your forex trading account, take that money and divide it into 3. Take one portion of it and send it into a place that is safe as a backup for your forex trading. Then take around 25% and buy alternative assets. I have up to 5 to 6 penny stocks that I have researched, and those penny stocks, I carry a portion of my money and I keep on buying those stocks. Anytime I want to fund my forex account, carry that money and buy those penny stocks and keep them. The penny stocks are going to be performing well for you in about a year to 5 years time. So it is not something you will always want to rush and do anything. So when you have a portion of the money as backup, the other money in penny stock, either penny stock, you can use penny stock, you can use government bond, you can use cryptocurrency. If it is cryptocurrency, research the top currencies that are bound to perform long term and just buy them in the spot market. They are not something that you trade every day. Just just buy them and own and keep them there safe in your wallet. So when you have done this, carry the other portion and put it into your trading account and trade with them. This gets us to our point number 3. And point number 3 is to be realistic about forex trading. If you buy bonds, you expect up to 17% return per annum. If you invest in stocks and spot cryptocurrencies, some of them can perform very well in some years, but on the average, nobody goes into any kind of business and expect that every month your business will be doing 100% for you. But when you see forex traders, especially beginner forex traders, they want to make 1000% return on their capital every day. You want to carry $100 and make $1000. You want to carry $100 and make $5000 every month. It is not going to work. Be realistic about what to expect in forex trading. Since you have already got a job and you're trading and you have backup funds and you have alternative investment, when it comes to trading, it is going to help you to trade with peace of mind. That money that is there, study your trading system and be very focused. Anytime that you spot opportunity, you place the trade. If there are no opportunities, you leave the money there because it is not money you need for your day-to-day survival. You have to trade with a lower leverage. You can use a leverage of 50 or 100 at most. But these days, you see people using a leverage of 1000, of 2000. If you are trading with Exness, they even give you an unlimited leverage. That is a way for you to blow up your trading account and go on looking for another money to fund. If you have a $100 account, 0.01 lot size is okay. 0.02 at most. 1 or 2 trades, they are okay for you. If you have reduced your leverage, you need to think of the number 3 step to preserve that your money in your trading account, and that is to apply anti-martingale principle. If you are somebody that have been trading with trading robots, so many robots make use of what is called martingale principle. What happens is that anytime you take a loss, like you take a trade and you lose 10%, the next trade they increase their risk by 2. So instead of risking 10%, they will risk 20%. And if this 20% trade succeeds, the trade will cover up for the loss they sustained in the first trade. And anytime they take the third trade and it loses, they increase the risk. They keep on increasing the risk, hoping that one trade will wipe off all the losses they have sustained. So that is martingale principle. But you, if you want to always have money in your trading account, you need to apply the anti-martingale principle. That whenever you take a loss, maybe 2 losses in a row, the next trade you are going to take, you have to cut your risk by half. If you were risking 2% of your account for a trade, the next trade you are going to take, reduce the risk to 1%. And if that trade also is a loss, reduce it to 0.5%. And if that is also a loss, you might reduce it to 0.025%. So if you keep on applying the anti-martingale principle during a period of losing streak, you will get to the point where there is money in your trading account, but based on your principles of anti-martingale, you will not be able to place a trade, and that's a sign for you to take a break. So you can take a 1-week break, you can take a 1-month break to evaluate yourself. And most of the times when you go into losing streak, it might not be due to your trading system alone. There might be things in your personal life, psychological, that affect your trading. So during that period, it's a period for you to refresh, to realign yourself. For me, I took out a time to go and backtest again, to check my trading system where I was making mistakes. And I also had to work on my own personal life where I was having challenges, might be health related issues and all those things. So take a break when you are losing. The final point I want us to note today, if you want to always have money in your account as a trader, you need to be spiritual about your trading. I have so many reasons to believe that the spiritual controls the physical. And remember, we are playing a role in the largest financial market in the world. There are a lot of people who have interest in this industry, and these people are controlling billions. And up to 90% of retail traders lose 90% or all of their money in 90 days. And if you are succeeding in your trading, then you need to partner with God. A little you make from trading, as you place your withdrawal, pay your tithe. If you do not believe in tithing, then you take a portion of your money and give out to charity, give out to the less privileged, and have one given to carry a reasonable part of the money you make and enjoy it with the people who love you and the people who are praying for you, the people who want you to succeed. And always commit commit your trading business to God in prayer. And when you follow all these steps, if you follow these steps that I have outlined, find out that you will begin to succeed. Your finances are going to begin to be stable in case they were not stable before, and you will be in this business long term and be a success story. Don't just be sold into the lifestyle that you see on the internet. Be realistic. Wealth creation takes deliberate effort, and it takes time for good things to happen. If there is any difficulty you have been having when it comes to trading, I want you to drop it on the comment. Ask me any question, any challenge you've been going through, and I will respond to you. If you want to learn how to analyze the fundamentals for trading, with this video right here, you will learn how to analyze fundamentals and get macroeconomic basis for trading. You can watch it.